In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install the HP LaserJet 1536 DNF MFP printer driver in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome. The moment you have opened this one, please proceed here with the search bar, type for HP LaserJet 1536 DNF MFP printer driver, and click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way you'd be navigated to the list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under support.hp.com, the official website for HP. All you need to do is you need to click on it, and the moment you do that, you would be navigated to this multi-function printer, which is the HP LaserJet Pro M1536 DNF. So here you need to scroll down on the list, and here under the driver product installation software, you can see there a full feature software and driver. All you need to do is you need to click on the download button aligning to it. And the moment you click on it, you can eventually start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded this one, but in your case, if you haven't yet, then download it. Once you have downloaded it, please navigate to the top right corner. You can see a download icon, and once it marked done here, click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. Once done, you need to make a right click here and click on this cut icon and then close the windows being opened. And here at the desktop, you need to make a right click and click on paste. And that way you would be able to successfully move that to the desktop. So the next step that we need to do is we need to extract or unzip it. So there are two ways on how to do that. You can double tap, and in that way you'd be able to unzip it, or either make a right click and use the WinRAR tool to extract this one. So go with WinRAR and go with extract to, and kindly wait until a file folder would be created here at the desktop before we continue to the installation. Okay, so once a file folder has been created, we will now start the installation. But before we proceed, if you haven't still subscribed to the channel, please do subscribe and give this video a thumbs up so you won't miss any of our upcoming tutorial. We would really appreciate your support. So by that, you need to navigate here at the start, make a right click, scroll up and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together on your keyboard, and in that way you would be able to bring up the settings window. Okay, so from here, please locate for the left pane and locate with the option called Bluetooth and devices. And once done, please proceed with printers and scanners and locate for add device. Click on this one and kindly wait until you can get an option where you can manually add a printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually and kindly wait until you would be able to see this window. Please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings. Click on next, click on this down arrow key and use among of this three USB port. So once you've set it, go with next and go with have disk and click on the browse. Now from that, you need to navigate to the desktop, and here at the desktop, scroll down and locate the extracted file, double tap here, and you need to scroll down and eventually you'll be able to see a list of drivers. Click on it, click on open and click on the OK here, and then you can see the printer, click on next, and please rename that. In my case, I'll be renaming it into HP LaserJet M1530 MFP, then click on the next here, and it will now start the installation. So kindly wait until this would be done. Okay, so once done, click on the next here and go with finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet M1530 MFP printer driver. So close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.